Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the watch battery on your Timex 1216 cell type. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos and also love watches or vintage watches in general, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and also like this video. And if you are interested in buying vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So guys, if your watch stopped working and you have a Timex either with the Indiglo function or not, and here on the back, if you are able to read CR1216 cell, this means that this is the exact type of battery that you will find inside your watch or that you need to replace in order for it to keep on running. You will need a few basic watch tools such as a case opener and a pair of tweezers in order to maneuver the watch battery and open the watch. And also in some cases you might need a watch press in order to close the back of the watch. I would suggest going on Amazon and buying a basic watchmaker toolkit where you can find a lot of basic watch tools if you want to start out in working on your watches, or if you are a watch fan and you want to play with your watches. So in order to open the watch, you can see right here that we have a small arrow, and here we have a small part where we can take our tool and go underneath the back of the watch. So we will use this in order to open the watch, and now you can actually see that the watch battery is CR1216. So you will be able to take a pair of tweezers in order to take the battery off, and you can see here a small gap where you can actually go with your tweezers in order to take the battery out. These Timex movements are pretty sensible, so I would suggest not applying any pressure or extra pressure, because you can actually damage the Indiglo function or the watch itself. Here we have the old battery, and you can go and purchase online the CR1216. I will leave a link in the description below to this exact watch battery type and also to the watchmaker basic toolkit in case you want to purchase them. You can see that on the battery it also writes CR1216. So you are going to take one battery out, and as you can see, when we want to place the watch battery inside, we have this small metallic part that connects with the lateral of the battery, and you simply have to push the battery in place until you hear a small click. As you can see, the battery is in its place, and if we look at the watch, you can see that the watch is ticking. Let's also check the Indiglo function. Let's switch off the light. As you can see, the Indiglo function is also working. So this means that we can simply put the back of the watch back. On some Timex watches, you will be able to press the watch back with your bare hands, and in case you cannot do that, you will need a watch press just like this one, where you can simply place the watch facing downwards and then apply pressure on the top in order to press the back of the watch. So this is a snap off back. I will also leave a link in the description below for this one as well. I would suggest going and buying these basic watchmaker tools so that you do not damage your watches, so that you can open basically any type of watch. You can put the backs back in their initial position, and also you can work on the movements, take the movements out, and so on. So guys, that was the tutorial. This is how you replace the battery on your Timex Indiglo CR1216 cell type. And if you enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, please leave a comment, like it, and also consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, as we post weekly videos with watches, watch tutorials, and everything about watches. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.